How to download Facebook Reels in 2024. Go to Facebook and log into your account. Tap on this icon. Navigate to the Reels tab. Scroll through the Reels feed until you find the video you want to download. It could be anything that catches your eye. Under the Reel video, you'll see an arrow icon. Click on that arrow. After clicking the arrow, a menu will pop up. One of the options will be to copy link. Click on that, and the link to the reel will be saved to your clipboard. Now, open your web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and type in snapsave.app in the address bar. Once you're on snapsave.app, you'll see a box where you can paste the link you copied from Facebook. Paste it here. Beside the link box, you'll see a button that says download or something similar. Click on that button. The website will start processing the video. This might take a few moments, so just be patient. Once it's done processing, you'll usually see options for video quality, like HD or standard. Pick the one you prefer. Finally, click on the download button again, and the reel will start downloading to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a Facebook Reel using snapsave.app. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.